Hello everyone, welcome everybody to our YouTube channel. This is the part 2 of our chapter cell. In first part, I cover introduction of cell, then after cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, protoplasm, mitochondria, and many other cell organelle. Today I will continue this part. Start with vacuole. Okay, vacuole one of the cell organelle. So let's see the skin and learn about vacuoles. These are the membrane. First point about one vacuole. These are the membrane bounded region in the cytoplasm containing water and other substance. Mainly vacuole are the some bounded region present in the plant cell only. So second point, they are bounded by single membrane called tonoplast. Very important. Remember this. These are bounded by single membrane called tonoplast. Going to next point. This third point and some function. See the skin. In an animal cell, vacuole are smaller in size and membranous, while in the plant cell, a single large vacuole is found which is occupy 90% of total volume of the cell. Remember this, in animal cell vacuole are extremely small in size, while in the plant cell vacuole occupy most of the space in the plant cell, about 90% of the cell volume. Okay, look at this. After that, what is the function of vacuole? First, it helps in maintaining osmoregulation. That means the in and out of air into the cell, osmoregulation in the cell. Second point is it store toxic metabolic product of plant cell. Okay, so these are the two functions of vacuole. After we go to the next, another one function of vacuole is it contains various color pigment like erythrocyanins, also a pigment present in the vacuole. Okay. After that, we'll start another cell organelle, that is lysosome. Very important. Look at this carefully. Next, cell organelle lysosome, discovered by, first point is discovered by Christian D. Dubé. Remember this, scientist named Christian D. Dubé discovered lysosome. The word lysosome is broken into two parts, that is lyso means digestive, soma means body. Okay, that means lysosome is the cell organelle which means digestive body. Second point, these are tiny sac-like structure containing enzyme of intercellular digestion. Remember this is the only cell organelle which you find enzyme. So lysosome are tiny sac-like structure containing enzyme of intercellular digestion. Okay. Next point, third point, they are bounded by a single membrane. Lysosome are bounded by a single membrane. Next point, they are occur in animal cell and few in plant cell. Most of the time we will found that lysosome present in animal cell, and some cases it is found in plant cell. Okay. Next point, it's the last point about lysosome. They contain hydrolyzing enzyme called acid hydrolase. We know that the enzyme present in the lysosome is called as acid hydrolase. Then go to its function. First is they are kind of waste disposal system. Second is they are help in the digesting foreign material and out cell. So they are called as suicidal bag. Very important. Remember this. The lysosome cell organelle is called as suicidal bag of the cell. Okay. After that I going to next organelle, that is peroxisome. Okay. So remember this, some fact about peroxisome. First point, these are where these structure were first described from liver and kidney by Rodin. Remember this, peroxisome are the cell organelle first found in liver and kidney by Rodin in 1954. Going to next point, that is second point. In plant cell, they were first observed in germinating seed by Tolbert. Okay. So remember this, there is two scientists, first is Rodin, second is Tolbert. Rodin described animal cell, but found peroxisome in animal cell. Tolbert found peroxisome in plant cell. Okay. Going to next point, that is third point. In green leaves of C3 plant, peroxisome carry out photorespiration. Okay. In C3 plant, peroxisome carry out photorespiration. The last point is, in the animal cell, they are carried out by lipid metabolism. So these are the two functions of peroxisome. First is it is help in the photorespiration in C3 plant. Second is, in animal cell, they are carried by lipid metabolism. Okay. After that, the next cell organelle, that is that is glyosome. It is another type of cell organelle present in the cell. First point about glyosome, Beavers, a scientist, was first person described this organelle and were described later by R.S. Brandon Batch. Then says, look out this name of scientist. Okay. The second point is, they are found in plant cell, partially in the germinating fatty seed, that is racemose, that is castor, and groundnut, where fat is being converted into carbohydrate by a process is called glycosylate cycle. Okay. So mainly this is not important cell organ, but remember this name, glycosome, one of the cell organelle present in the cell. After that, a short difference between plant and animal cell. We know that this is very common, and many more difference possible between plant cell and animal cell. Few are given below. First is, cell wall is present in plant cell, cell wall is absent in animal cell. Plastidia are found in plant cell, plastidia are absent in animal cell. One large vacuole present in the plant cell, numerous teeny no plastic vacuoles present in animal cell. Centriole is absent, centriole is present in animal cell. So these are the small difference between plant cell and animal cell. Okay. After that, we go to our next part, that is cytoskeleton. Okay. What is cytoskeleton? Now these three principal type of protein filament are microfilament, microtubules, and intermediate filament. Microfilament, microtubules, intermediate filament constituent the cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton are the substance found in the cell. Second point is, microfilament are made of anti-like protein. They helps in maintaining cell shape. They are involved in the microfilament of cell movement. Okay. Participate in the intercellular transpiration, play an important role in the movement of cell organelles. So these are the function of microfilament. Okay, microfilament. Then after go to intermediate filament. What is the function of intermediate filament? The intermediate filament have 10 to 8 centimeter diameter. In most animal cell, they found a basket around the nucleus, and they are present in cell junction. Okay. So mainly these are the fibrous protein present in the cell. After that, on the basis type of organism, cell are two types. First is prokaryotic, second is eukaryotic. See this, on the basis of cell organelle, cell are two types. First is prokaryotic, second is eukaryotic. Okay, see this. Then what is prokaryotic cell? Now these are primitive and incomplete cell. They have less development, nucleus without nuclear membrane and nucleus, that is example bacteria. Okay, listen carefully. These are primitive and incomplete cell. They have less development, nucleus without nuclear membrane and nucleolus. That is best example is bacteria and also blue green algae. Okay, so these are called as prokaryotic cell. Yani primitive. Prokaryotic means primitive, yeah, incomplete. Okay. The second is eukaryotic. These are well developed cell. They have a advanced nucleus with nuclear membrane and nucleus, that is plant cell and animal cell. Look at skin. Just read this. The next part is difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic. This is also important. See this. In prokaryotic, incipient nucleus, yeah, no nuclear membrane, nuclear loss absent, DNA single, closed loop are found. In the eukaryotic, true nucleus, nuclear membrane are present, nucleus are present, multiple chromosomes are found. Okay. Then goes to mitosis. Mitosis means one type of cell division. Mitosis, no mitosis occur in prokaryotic, mitosis found in eukaryotic. Next difference is respiratory system. In plasma membrane absent, mitochondria is absent in prokaryotic, mitochondria are present in eukaryotic. After that, photosynthetic apparatus. In intercellular internal membrane, mitochondria absent, or in eukaryotic the chloroplast is present. That is Golgi body and some other cell organelle are also present. See this. In prokaryotic, all the cell or important cell organelle are absent. In eukaryotic, these are present. Okay. After that, ribosome. In prokaryotic, 70s ribosome are found. In eukaryotic, 80s ribosome are found. After the cell wall, generally present in prokaryotic, present in also plant cell. Vacuoles, prokaryotic absent, present in eukaryotic. Okay, in that way you see this difference. After that, very important point, some important point. Okay, first is regarding on centrosome. It is also one type of cell organelle. It is found only in animal cell. It is consists of two centrioles. Two centriole combined form a centrosome. It is membraneless structure. Very important. See the skin. It is made of microtubules. It helps in the cell division and spindle formation. Okay. So these are the point about one centrosome. Remember this. Centrosome, one of the cell organ of cell found in only animal cell. Next, cilia and flagella. What is cilia and flagella? See this. What is cilia and flagella? These are thread-like appendage used for locomotion or march of formal basal body. So basically, cilia and flagella are the thread-like apparatus used for locomotion. After that, what is chromosome? These are the thread-like structure containing hereditary information in form of gene. Because chromosome contain gene, so it is help in the hereditary information. Next, going about to another important point. So these are four different type of membrane on the basis of permeability in cell. First is permeable, second impermeable, third semi-permeable, last differential permeable. So let's look this one by one. First is what is permeable. See this. What is permeable membrane? So the membrane allow diffusion of both solvent and solute membrane or ion through them. It's called as permeable membrane. That is of cell wall of plant cell is one type of permeable membrane. So the wall which is diffusion of both solvent and solute membrane are called permeable. Okay. After that, second is what is impermeable membrane. Now the membrane which is prohibited the diffusion of solvent and solid particle is called impermeable membrane. The example is cutinized cell, liquefied cell wall. These are the example of impermeable membrane. Then goes to what is semi-permeable. Now those allow diffusion of solvent molecule but do not allow the passage of solute. Only solvent can be exchanged are called semi-permeable. Example, parenchymatous paper, kidney membrane. These are example of semi-permeable membrane. After that, the next is differentially permeable. That is, it allows some solute to pass through them along with the solvent molecule is called differential permeable. Best example is plasma lamella, tonoplast. These are the example of differentially permeable. Okay. Next, some important about the connection through which cell communicate chemically with each other through their thick wall are called plasmodesmata. Very important. Look at this. What is plasmodesmata? Connecting through cells communicate chemically. The communicating connection between two cells is called as plasmodesmata. Okay. Look at this. After that, protoplasm was called as physical basis of life. Very important. Remember this. Which cell organelle called as physical basis of life? That is protoplasm. Protoplasm was called as physical basis of life by Huxley. Huxley, one scientist, gave the physical basis of life is protoplasm. After that, euglena is the connecting link between plant and animal. Plant and animal connecting is euglena. It is lap of cell wall but had plastic. Okay. After that, some another important point regarding on cell. Mesosome in bacteria are analogous to mitochondria as both are helping the cellular respiration. Mesosome and mitochondria, these are the two organelles help in the cellular respiration. Mitochondria helps in the plant and animal cell, but mesosome helps in bacteria cell. Okay, look at this carefully. After that, next point, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology is situated in Hyderabad, that is Telangana. In Telangana, the capital is Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, the Center for Molecular and Biology is situated. The next point, in animal cell, the cell coat is present instead of cell wall, which provide them protection. It is made of glycocalyx. Okay, in animal cell, the cell coated is present on protection. This is called as glycocalyx. Next point, ATP adenosine triphosphate is the energy currency of the cell. That is energy in the cell stored in the form of ATP molecule. Also, you know that mitochondria called as powerhouse and ATP called as cell currency of the cell. Okay. Let's go to some important points. DNA is called as chemical basis of life. In previous page, we will tell about the physical basis of life is protoplasm. In that way, DNA is called as chemical basis of life. Next point, DNA structure explained by double helix model, which was proposed by Watson and Crick. Remember this scientist name, Watson and Crick, gives the double helix model of DNA. Next point, mitochondria, plastid and centrioles have their own DNA. Remember this, these three organelle, mitochondria, plastid, centriole, these have their own DNA molecules, so they are called as semi-autonomous cell. Very, very important, semi-autonomous cell organelle. These are mitochondria, plastid and centriole. Going to next point, that is last point, RNA, that is ribose. यहाँ पे थोड़ी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है, ribose nucleic acid यानी RNA responsible for protein synthesis in a living RNA. In a living cell, RNA are three types such as mRNA यानी messenger RNA, tRNA यानी transport RNA, rRNA यानी ribosome RNA, ribose RNA. Okay, RNA are three types: mRNA, tRNA, and RNA. After that, we some idea about cell division. It is also a long process. Basically, just quickly I tell you what is cell division. The cell division was first observed by Nageli. Remember this scientist named Nageli? Nageli in the plant cell in 1842, and it was studied by Prevost and Dumas. Prevost and Dumas in the fertilized egg from frog, also in animal cell. Then what is cell cycle? Now it is a series of programmed cycle chains by which the cell duplicate its content and divide into two parts. Cell cycle was discovered by Howard and Bell. It is divided into two phases. Okay, the medically the one cell divided into two cell by process is called cell cycle. It is divided into two phases. First phase is long non-dividing phase, that is I phase, also called as interphase. Second is short dividing phase, that is M phase, also called as mitotic phase. Okay, again I phase by long division phase is again divided into three phases, that is G1 growth phase, S synthetic phase, G2 secondary phase, etc. These are not mostly important, but look at this the diagram of first phase cell division. After that, the second phase, the short dividing second phase M phase also consists of three parts, that is karyokinesis, that is nuclear division, and cytokinase, that is cytoplasmic division. Okay, and also mitosis, meiosis occur in cell division. So these are the points about cell structure and function. This is the second part of our theory video. After that, I will continue a MCQ series, which is the most important for you. So I request you once again you revise this session in two video, or it's any source in your study. After that, you must solve MCQ of this chapter. After that, I continue many more MCQ regarding on this chapter. So please connect with our channel and also share and subscribe this channel. If you appreciate our video, also share your friends. Thank you for watching. In the next part, I will explain or discuss most important MCQ question regarding cell. Thank you for watching.